this kind of 4 boxes in one bigger box. I consider this is one case, okay. This is unit of measure. I will consider this one value pack is equal to 10 eaches. Now it will be clear to you. So how many value packs are there? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is one value pack, another value pack, another value pack, another value pack. So in my books you will find like examples like this in all the books. Okay. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we have 4 value packs. How many eaches we have? See, 1 eaches. Here we have 10, 20, 30, 40. Because in each box, so 40 eaches. 40 eaches. Okay. Okay, 10. Here we have, okay, 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay. And then I will maintain one final handling unit. Okay, suppose this is a pallet, full pallet. In this pallet I will put these kind of cases and I will put these are the one case. Suppose these kind of, this is the entire one case. I will put in my this HU, complete HU I will make. I will put for an example 1,